These are the elevators at the St. Pete Pier, St. Pete, Florida.
Going up.
Let's go to 5. It's Kone.
Fifth floor. Going down.
Let's go down to 2. Notice how there's no 3rd floor in this elevator. I don't know if there's a 3rd floor in the building because this does have an interesting layout, but at the very least this elevator doesn't serve it.
Second floor. Going up.
There's the other elevator. This also doesn't serve the 3rd floor. I just don't think there is a 3rd floor in this building, even though there is one on the indicator. Go back down. I'll just go back up to 2. Or, you know what, on second thought, I want to see if there's anything interesting on 4. So we're just going to check out all the floors, because why not? Normally I wouldn't want to do this, but this is an interesting building. I think completed in 2020, if I remember correctly. This is a restaurant, so maybe if there is a 3rd floor, it's like employee area. Oh, and I canceled our call. You know what, let's just go down to 1. Let's just end it down there. Interesting how the one bar lights up orange, but almost everything else is white. And that'll be it.